Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to translate text and emails with Copilot. You can literally now use AI and Copilot in Microsoft Edge and basically use it so you can translate text. So if you ever wanted to translate text to another language in a flash without even having to open a new browser tab or window, now it is possible with the help of AI and Copilot in Microsoft Edge. So how to use Copilot in Microsoft Edge to translate? So first of all, you need to actually select the Copilot icon in the upper right corner of Microsoft Edge. Copy and paste the text you wish to translate into the chat and specify which language you want the text to be translated to. Type, for example, translate this into English like a prompt normally, and Copilot will immediately translate the text for you. You can also use Copilot and Edge to translate specific words instead of full sentence, paragraph, or article. For example, if you're uncertain what a word means, simply copy and paste it into the chat and ask what the word means in whatever your preferred language is or context. Here are a few simple prompts for translation services that you could use in your future prompt. So, translate the following English phrase into French. Hello, how are you? Can you provide the translation of Spanish sentence into English? Me gusta mucho este libro. I need to translate this short paragraph from German to Chinese. Please help. Translate the word thank you into 5 different languages: Spanish, Russian, Japanese, Arabic, and Portuguese. And how do you say good morning in Italian? Once you get these actual languages, you will be able to actually, or basically once you get these prompts and how they work, you will be able to make your own prompts so you can translate your words. And what about the languages? Well, there is over 70 languages, making it your go-to tool for quick translations. Among these languages, you can find Spanish, French, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, and Hindi. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.